Good morning, students. Now let us continue based on limits and continuity. Question number 31st. The function f of x equal to sin x divided by x plus cos x. If x is not equal to 0, f of x at x equal to 0 is equal to k is continuous function at x equal to 0. Then the value of k is 4 options. Now you know the definition of continuity. That is, two conditions are satisfied. Condition number 1, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Okay. Condition number 2, limit of f of x as x tends to a is equal to f of a is defined. So out of two condition, any one condition does not exist, then the given function f of x is discontinuous. ಹೌದಾ? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, already the given data it is continuous function. Then to find the value of k, so go for condition number 2. What is condition number 2? Limit of f of x as x tends to a value is 0 is equal to f of 0 implies limit of f of x value, that is given, sin x divided by x plus cos x as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0 value, that is given, k. Now split up the limit of sin x by x as x tends to 0 value, standard result 1. Put x equal to 0 in second part, cos 0 is 1 is equal to k. Therefore k is equal to 2. So option is B option. Okay. Next question. Question number 32. The function f of x equal to 4 minus x square divided by 4x minus x cube is discontinuous at only one point, discontinuous at exactly 2 points, discontinuous at exactly 3 points, none of these. So ಇದು discontinuous ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ discontinuous ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Discontinuous means not defined. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, f of x is equal to 4 minus x square divided by 4x minus x cube is not defined. f of x is not defined. ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ? ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 4x minus x cube is equal to 0. ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಪಾನ್ 0 ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್. ಹೌದಾ? Simplify. Among these two, take x common. 4 minus x square is equal to 0 implies either x is equal to 0 or 4 minus x square is equal to 0 or x square is equal to 4 or x is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2. Nodri, put x is 0, substitute ಮಾಡಿ, 4 into 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Denominator part is 0, it is not defined. And take x is 2, 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 2 cube 8. Again 8 minus 8 is 0, again it is not defined. Put x is equal to minus 2, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, minus x value minus 2 cube minus 8. Minus into minus plus 8, minus 8, 0. So it is the not defined, it is discontinuous at x equal to 0, x equal to 2, x equal to minus 2. How many values? 3 values. How many points? 3 points. So that it is discontinuous exactly 3 points. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Next question number 33. F of x is equal to mx plus 1 if x is less than or equal to pi by 2, sin x plus n if x is more than or equal to pi by 2 is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. Then the value of m is equal to or n is equal to. Okay. Now here it is less than or equal, it is LHL, more than or equal, it is RHL. Already the given data it is continuous. Now to find LHL and RHL. So LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to a value is pi by 2 minus is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 minus, select the function f of x such that x is less than pi by 2. Yavudide? First one, that is mx plus 1. Put x is equal to pi by 2. m into pi by 2 plus 1. This is LHL. Then to find RHL, RHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to pi by 2 plus, that equals limit x tends to pi by 2 plus, select the function f of x such that x is more than pi by 2. Idena x is more than pi by 2 value, sin x plus n. Sin x plus n. Put x is equal to pi by 2. Sin pi by 2, sin 90 degree 1 plus n. Now since the given data it is continuous, by definition of continuity, LHL is equal to RHL. What is LHL? That is m into pi by 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus n. So this implies m into pi by 2 is equal to 1 plus n, that one goes to right side, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So n is equal to m into pi by 2. That's it. Is there that option? N is equal to m pi by 2? Yes, that is option C is the right option. Okay. Question number 34. Define f of x is equal to log of 1 plus ax minus log of 1 minus bx divided by x at x equal to 0, so as to make it is continuous at x equal to 0. Then to find f of 0. So definition of continuity, limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0, implies limit of x tends to 0. What is f of x? Log of 1 plus ax minus log of 1 minus bx divided by x is equal to f of 0. To find f of 0. Now here put x is 0. See what happened? It is in the form indeterminate, that is 0 by 0. So how to solve? Apply L'Hospital rule, that is differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of log 1 divided by 1 plus ax into derivative of 1 plus ax is a. Okay. Minus derivative of log 1 divided by 1 minus bx into derivative of 1 minus bx is minus b divided by derivative of x is 1. Okay. Now put x is equal to 0. X value 0 substitute ಮಾಡಿ, implies put x is 0. A divided by 1 plus a into 0 minus into minus plus b divided by 1 minus b into 0 divided by 1 is equal to f of 0. Therefore, f of 0 is equal to a divided by 1 plus b by 1, that is a plus b. So f of 0 value is a plus b. Option C is the right option. Okay. Question number 35. F of x is equal to sin 5x divided by x square plus 2x if x is not equal to 0, whereas f of x at x equal to 0 is k plus 1 by 2. The given function is continuous at x equal to 0. Then find the value of k. Now apply the definition of continuity. Go for condition number 2, that is limit of f of x as x tends to 0 is equal to f of 0. This implies limit of x tends to 0. What is f of x value? Sin 5x divided by x square plus 2x is equal to f of 0 value k plus 1 by 2. Now simplify limit. So apply L'Hospital rule, easy method, shortcut method. Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of sin 5x is cos 5x into 5 divided by derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of 2x is 2 is equal to k plus 1 by 2. Put x equal to 0. 5 into cos 5 into 0, 0, that is cos 0 divided by 2 into 0 plus 2 is equal to k plus 1 by 2. Now that is, this implies 5 cos 0 is 1 divided by 2 into 0, 0 plus 2 is 2 is equal to k plus 1 by 2. Therefore, k is equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. So the value of k is 2. Option A is the right option. Okay. Question number 36. The function f of x equal to x square minus 10x plus 25 divided by x square minus 7x plus 10 for x is not equal to 5 and f is continuous at x equal to 5, then to find the value of f of 5. Then again apply definition of continuity. You know that limit of f of x as x tends to a value is 5 is equal to f of 5. To find f of 5, so implies limit x tends to 5, what is f of x? X square minus 10x plus 25 divided by x square minus 7x plus 10 is equal to f of 5. Now put x equal to 5, it is in the form indeterminate, that is 0 by 0. So that simplify using L'Hospital rule, differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of x square 2x, derivative of 10x is 10, derivative of 25 constant 0, divided by derivative of x square is 2x, minus derivative of 7x is 7, derivative of 10 is 0, is equal to f of 5. Therefore, put x equal to 5. So f of 5 is equal to 2 into 5, 10, minus 10 divided by 2 into 5, 10, minus 7, that is 0 by 3, 0 by 3 is nothing but 0. So f of 5 value 0. Option A is the right option. Okay. Next, question number 37. If f of x equal to 1 minus root 2 sin x by pi minus 4x, when x is not equal to pi by 4, whereas f of x at x equal to pi by 4 value is a, it is continuous at x equal to pi by 4, then to find the value of a. Again apply definition of continuity. Limit of f of x as x tends to a, that is pi by 4, is equal to f of pi by 4. Now this implies limit of, what is f of x value? 1 minus root 2 sin x divided by pi minus 4x as x tends to pi by 4 is equal to f of pi by 4 value is a. Now here simplify. Now here differentiate numerator and denominator separately using L'Hospital rule. Derivative of one constant 0 minus root 2, derivative of sin x is cos x divided by derivative of pi constant 0 minus derivative of 4x is minus 4 is equal to a. Put x equal to pi by 4. So a is equal to minus root 2 cos pi by 4 divided by minus 4, that is minus root 2 cos 45 degree 1 by root 2 divided by minus 4, root 2 cancel, minus cancel, that is 1 by 4. Option that is D. So the value of A is A 1 by 4, that is option D is the right answer. Okay. Next question. The function f of x equal to 5x minus 4 if x lies between 0 and 1 and 4x square plus 3bx if 1 less than x less than 2 is continuous at every point of its domain, then the value of b is, again to find the value of b. So apply definition of continuity. As you know that limit of f of x as x tends to repeated number is here 1, so that take that value is equal to f of 1. So this implies limit x tends to 1. What is f of x? That is to find LHL and RHL. Now here LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 1 minus. That is limit x tends to 1 minus. 1 minus means select the function f of x such that x is less than 1. Yaudide first one. So its answer, that is its value is 5x minus 4. Put x equal to 1, 5 minus 4, that is 1. Then to find RHL, limit of f of x as x tends to 1 plus, that is limit x tends to 1 plus, select the function f of x such that x is more than 1. You'll note 1 less than x is nothing but x is more than 1. Its value is 4x square plus 3bx. Okay. Put x equal to 1, that is 4 plus 3b, x value 1, that is 4 plus 3b. Okay. Since the function is continuous. Therefore, by definition of continuity, LHL is equal to, since LHL is equal to RHL, equate those two. What is LHL? 1 is equal to 4 plus 3b, or 3b is equal to 1 minus 4, that is 3b is equal to minus 3. Therefore, b is equal to minus 1. The value of b is minus 1. Option B is the right option. Okay. Question number 39. If the function f of x equal to log x divided by x minus 1, if x is not equal to 1 and f of x at x equal to 1 is k, it is continuous at the point x equal to 1, then to find the value of k. Now apply definition of continuity. Apply condition number 2 for continuity. What is that? Limit of f of x as x tends to 1 is equal to f of 1, implies limit f of x value log x divided by x minus 1 as x tends to 1 is equal to f of 1 is k. Now put x is 1, what happened? Log 1 is 0, divided by 1 minus 1, 0. It is in the form indeterminate. So simplify using L'Hospital rule. Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of log x is 1 by x divided by derivative of x minus 1 is 1 is equal to k. Put x equal to 1. Therefore, k is equal to 1 divided by 1, that is 1. Hence, k value is 1. The value of k is 1. Option C is the right option. Okay. Then 40th question. F of x equal to modulus of x minus 2. Then limit of f of x as x into 2 plus is not equal to 0. Whereas limit of f of x as x into 2 minus is not equal to 0. Option C. Option A is not equal to option B. Option D is continuous at x equal to 2. Check it to find one by one. Now first to find left hand limit. Definition of left hand limit. Limit of f of x as x tends to 2 minus, that is given 2, that is limit x tends to 2 minus f of x value mod of x minus 2. Put x equal to 2, 2 that is modulus of 2 minus 2, that equals 0. Now limit of f of x as x into 2 minus value 0, but here limit of f of x as x 2 minus is not equal to 0, that is option B is wrong answer. Then to find RHL. RHL ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, limit of f of x as x tends to 2 plus is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x value mod x minus 2. Put x equal to 2 modulus of 2 minus 2, that is again 0. So limit of f of x as x tends to 2 plus value is 0. But here which is not equal to 0, so option A is wrong answer. Observe option C. Option A is not equal to option B. Actually LHL is equal to RHL, but here is not equal. That is option C is also wrong answer. So which one is correct answer? Option D is correct answer, because LHL value 0, RHL 0. Therefore, it is a continuous at the point x equal to 2. So option D is the right answer. Okay, students. 41st. The function f of x equal to x cube plus x square minus 16x plus 20 divided by x minus 2 to the power of 2 when x is not equal to 0. Whereas f of x at x equal to 2 is k, it is continuous for all x. So then the value of k is equal to. Okay, again apply definition of continuity. You know that limit of f of x as x tends to 2 is equal to f of 2, implies limit of f of x value x cube plus x square minus 16x plus 20 divided by x minus 2 to the power of 2 is equal to, as x tends to 2 is equal to f of 2 value is, that is k. Now simplify. Now using L'Hospital rule, differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of 16x is 16. Derivative of 20 constant 0. Denominator derivative of x minus 2 to the power of 2 is 2 times x minus 2 is equal to k. Now put x is 2, what happened? 2 minus 2 0. Again numerator value 0. Again it is in the form indeterminate. So once again differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Okay. Now that is Derivative of 3x square is 6x. Derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of 16 constant 0. Divided by 2 constant as it is. Derivative of x minus 2 is 1. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 2 constant 0 is equal to k. Now put x equal to 2. Therefore, k is equal to 6 into 2, 12 plus 2 divided by 2. 12 plus 2, 14 by 2, that is 7. So the value of k is 7. Option A is the right option. Okay. Question number 42. In order that the function f of x equal to 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is continuous at x equal to 0, then f of 0 must be defined. So again, you know that definition of continuity, limit of f of x as x tends to a value 0 is equal to f of 0 is defined. That is, limit of x tends to 0, f of x value 1 plus x to the power of 1 by x is equal to f of 0. But you know the standard result, limit of f of x value 1 plus x whole power 1 by x as x tends to 0 value, its value is standard result, that is e is equal to f of 0. So f of 0 is equal to e. So option, which one is right option? Option B is the right option. Next question, 43rd. F of x equal to modulus of x minus a by x minus a if x is not equal to a, and f of x at x equal to a is 1, then which one is right option? Whether the function is continuous at x equal to a, whether the function is f of x is discontinuous at x equal to a, and option C, limit of f of x as x tends to a value is 1, and option D, none of these. Okay. Now here modulus function is given, so to find left hand limit and right hand limit. So limit, left hand limit formula, limit of f of x as x tends to a minus, that is limit x tends to a minus f of x value mod x minus a divided by x minus a is equal to. Now here limit x tends to a minus, definition of modulus function, mod x is equal to plus x if the condition x is more than 0, if it is minus x, x is less than 0. ಈ x minus a x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, our mod x is equal to minus x, x is less than 0. Less than is nothing but LHL. So that modulus of x minus a value minus capital X, that is minus x minus a divided by x minus a. These two cancel, that is minus 1. Then to find RHL, limit of f of x as x tends to a plus, that is limit x tends to a plus f of x value modulus of x minus a divided by x minus a. Now again, modulus of x minus a is equal to plus x if the condition x is more than 0. Here a plus means more than value. So that is limit x tends to a plus modulus of x minus a is plus x minus a divided by x minus a. These two cancel, that is 1. LHL is minus 1. RHL is plus 1. Are they equal? Not equal. So LHL is not equal to RHL. Is it continuous function? No, it is discontinuous function at the point x equal to a. So option, which one is right answer? Option B is the right answer. Okay. 44th question. The function f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Then find f double dash 0. F double dash 0 value is 4. Then to find limit of the function as x tends to 0. So limit of f of x value is given, that is 2 into f of x minus 3 into f of 2x plus f of 4x divided by x square as x tends to 0. Now put x equal to 0, it is in the form indeterminate 0 by 0. So simplify, apply L'Hospital rule, differentiate numerator and denominator separately. 2 constant derivative of f of x is f dash x minus 3 derivative of f of 2x is f dash 2x into 2 plus derivative of f of 4x is f dash 4x into 4. Okay. divided by derivative of x square is 2x. Now put x equal to 0. Again it is in the form indeterminate 0 by 0. So once again differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Now here two constant, derivative of f dash x is f double dash x minus 3 derivative of f dash 2x is f double dash 2x into derivative of 2x is 2 and one more 2 is there, that 2 write as it is, plus 4 constant as it is. Derivative of f dash is f double dash 4x into derivative of 4x is 4 divided by derivative of 2x is 2. Okay. Then put x equal to 0 is equal to 2 f double dash 0 minus here 3 into 2 into 2. How much? 12. F double dash x equal to 0, 2 into 0, 0. 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 f double dash 0 divided by 2. That is 2. But f double dash 0 value is given. F double dash 0 value put it ನೋಡಿ. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? F double dash 0 value is 4. So f double dash 0 value 4. 4 substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. F double dash 0 is 4 minus 12 into 4 plus 16 into 4. Okay. Divided by 2. Simplify 8 minus 48 plus 64 divided by 2. How much? Minus 40 plus 64. 24 divided by 2, that is 12. So limiting value is 12. Option is there? Yes. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Next question. The function f of x equal to cos x minus sin x divided by cos 2x is not defined at x equal to pi by 4. If it is defined at x equal to pi by 4, so that the function f of x is continuous everywhere. Now apply definition of continuity, that is limit of f of x as x tends to pi by 4 is equal to f of pi by 4 implies limit x tends to pi by 4. What is f of x value? Cos x minus sin x divided by cos 2x is equal to f of pi by 4. Now put x equal to pi by 4. It is in the form indeterminate 0 by 0. So apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to pi by 4. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x divided by derivative of cos 2x is minus sin 2x into derivative of 2x is 2 is equal to f of pi by 4. Now put x equal to 45 degree. Minus sin pi by 4 means 45 degree minus cos 45 degree divided by minus 2 sin 2 into 45 degree, that is 90 degree, is equal to f of pi by 4. Okay. Then simplify. This implies minus sin 45 degree 1 by root 2. Again cos 45 degree 1 by root 2 divided by minus 2 sin 90 degrees 1 is equal to f of pi by 4. Therefore, f of pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, LCM is root 2, that is minus 2 by root 2, right? Divided by minus 2, that is minus 2 by root 2 into that term goes to numerator, that is 1 by minus 2. Minus 2 cancel, that is 1 by root 2. So option f of x is continuous everywhere is 1 by root 2, that is option D is the right option. Okay. Now let us stop here, students. Now we will continue in next class. Question number 46 onwards we will continue in next class. Okay. Thank you.